Okay, so today we're going to be tinting my eyebrows. Lately, I basically haven't been feeling like filling in my eyebrows. I feel like it's kind of pointless. We need to embrace our natural beauty. The only way I feel like I can kind of fully live into that expectation of being natural is not putting on so much cakey makeup on my face. So I've been really enjoying wearing my skin without caking it with a load of foundation or like a lot of concealer. So for everyday makeup now, I would just wear a little bit of concealer under my eyes with some mascara and some lipstick, and I really love how it looks. It just feels a lot more fresh and my skin is a lot more breathable as well. You don't feel so cakey, oily and all this greasiness. So I'm going to show you how I tint my eyebrows. So what I'm going to be using is a eyelash and eyebrow tinting kit that I purchased from Sally's. You can also buy these in Superdrug, but most beauty shops now supply a eyebrow or eyelash tinting kit, but most of the time it is semi-permanent. It lasts for 3 to 6 weeks depending on how many times you wash your face. You'll also need a little glass dampen dish to put the mixture in and a tiny little brush. You can use the brush that you use to fill in your eyebrows. A flat brush works really good as well, just so you can keep it in the lines and be extra neat. But yeah, so I'm first going to put the colorant. So I'm going to use a little bit of black and a bit of brown into the little cup dampen dish. It's called a dampen dish, but I'm just gonna call it a cup. So I'm gonna put probably about a pea-size amount of the brown into here. That. Now taking the black, so I'm gonna put double the amount of the black compared to what we did with the brown. So this is what we should have. So we've got 2 colours in here now. If you get a proper eyelash and eyebrow tinting kit, it does come with hydrogen peroxide, a very, very small amount. This one is 10 volume. But for some reason it's not as strong as the stuff you put on your hair. It's a lot less like potent, but it does the job. So I'm going to put about 3 drops of the hydrogen peroxide with the colorant. Now give it a good mix up with the brush. You want it so it's kind of a thick consistency, but enough so you can brush it on at the same time. Mixing those 2 colours together. So I want kind of like a browny black colour. It's starting to thick up now, so it's kind of like a gloopy consistency. So before you apply the tint to your eyebrows, I'm gonna first just clean the eyebrows. Use like a wet wipe or some cleanser. Cleanser away the dirt. Now if you haven't tinted your eyebrows before, I would recommend using either some Vaseline or some chapstick and just kind of go around the edges of your eyebrows to keep in the dye. So if you do like go over the line, it's not going to look too bad. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to take this clear coloured lip balm chapstick thing and go around my eyebrows like that. Okay, and now you just fill them in with the dye. So once you've finished filling in your brows with the dye, I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes and then I'm just going to wipe off with a baby wipe, just rinse under water, and we'll see what we're left with. But they're definitely a lot darker. So while I'm waiting for my eyebrows to colour, I'm actually removing a couple dreads. So I've already removed one dreadlock and I'm just removing another one. So I actually had dreads going all the way up to the top of my head, but recently I've been wanting to have like more loose hair on the top, just so it flows over the top of the dreadlocks. So I've actually taken out 2 rows of dreadlocks at the back of my head. So yeah, so I've got this much to go on the dreadlock and then this one's done. So there we go guys, that is how I tint my eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.